My snoring ripped my family apart and led to divorce. But years later, we're back together. I'll tell you why in a second. Alex here, founder of Hostage Tape. Now, years ago, my snoring was so bad, it forced my wife into the other bedroom, that it destroyed the relationship, the resentment built, and just created a toxic environment in our home. So in the middle of that divorce, when I was by myself, I looked into how I can improve my sleep. And I discovered this one thing that I could not believe that I didn't know. And as a high-level athlete myself, my whole life, and I'm in my 40s now, I didn't know this one thing. That one thing was taping my mouth shut. Keeping my mouth shut at night reduced and eliminated my snoring almost completely and helped us rekindle our relationship back together. So shut your mouth, everybody. Tape that up and enjoy.